Okay, today I'm going to show you what I feed my quail to get them to lay. Okay. I found the best food from Tractor Supply, but I've mixed a couple of foods together, feeds together, I should say. And this is how I do it. Works for me. If it works for me, it'll work for you. Okay, I don't see anybody picking on anybody. They're still maturing. Like I said, they're a little over 4 weeks old. Pretty soon they're gonna be ready for laying. Pretty soon they're gonna get to it. They're gonna start laying. They figured out their water. They press down that little yellow piece and it squirts a little bit of water. The cup keeps it from leaking. The cup is not supposed to be full, but I did fill them up. I pressed them down with a stick to get them to figure out how to get the water, and it looks like they're doing pretty good. Okay, like I said before, this is about feed. Okay, and how I'm going to mix up the proper protein food for these birds so they can lay. Okay, and I'll explain that. We're gonna head to where the feed is. I'll explain all that and what I figured and the cost. And I like to make it simple, but yet I like to have it efficient. And won't be long. These birds I've been hearing them crowing. Got a couple of them crowing, and there's been a little aggression, but nothing bad. No scalping or anything like that yet. Like I said, that one big bird, I'm thinking it's a he, trying to get to the other birds in the other cage. I guess the grass is greener over there. Okay, so we're going to show you, this is going to be about feed, what I give my quail once they get to the laying stage. Right now they're still on the 30% growing feed, and the crumbles, and I'm still grinding the crumbles up with my coffee grinder, and I'll continue to do that. Until they're well established. They'll start laying eggs. Then I'll go to the full crumbles without grinding them. This is my method. I find the birds will get a lot bigger, faster, if you grind them with your coffee grinder, even when they've grown. Okay. And we're fixing to figure out if we got which one's the boys and which one's the girls. And then we're going to come back and we're going to band them. Okay. We're going to band them so we know who's who. And take them all one at a time. Of course, one at a time. And band them. So anyway, this is about feed. What food to give them, what feed to feed them to get them to lay. Okay, you're also going to need lights. But as far as now, we're talking about feed. Then we're going to talk about lights in another video. Okay. Your game birds, or your quail, you've been giving them this game bird feed. Okay, 30% protein. Now they're 4 or 5 weeks old. You want to switch them over to a lay and mash, game bird layer. Okay. Now I went to the Tractor Supply, and the game bird layer they don't have. So you have to order it online. Okay. It's 18% protein, by the way. Now, if you order it online, okay, it's $21.99 a bag plus $10 surcharge. Now, if you have it delivered to the store, you still pay the $10 surcharge. The store does not stock it. The store told me I still would have to pay the $10 surcharge. So it cost me $31.99. So almost $32 plus tax for the game bird layer. Okay. Now, you don't want to pay $10 more a sack for. You don't want to pay $32 a sack for your feed for your quail. So, what I do is, I feed this to the chickens. Okay, this is a 16% layer crumble. Okay, and that goes to the chickens. All right. So what I do, the quail need more than 16%. Okay, your quail's going to need 18 to 22%, at least 22%, if not more. Okay. So, what I do is, I buy, they stock this. Okay, they stock this feed. Okay. $24.99 a sack at the local Tractor Supply. So I buy a sack of this and a sack of this. Now this they sell for $17.49 a sack. Okay. And this is 16% protein, as you see, and this is 30% protein. Now your bird no longer need 30% protein now that he's grown, he's feathered out. Okay. So what you do is you mix this 50-50. Okay, so if you add up 30 and 16%, you come up with 48%. Divide that by 2, you get 23% protein. Remember I told you needed 18 to 22%. So you got 23% protein, a little bit more, but that's good. Okay. Now cost-wise, this is 24. What I said, $24.99, and this is $17.49. You add up the two costs, that's 40-pound sacks. You add up the money and divide by 2. You're paying $21.24 a sack. Because remember, you're mixing them 50-50. So you're paying $21.24 a sack, okay, with 23% protein for your quail. All right, that's better than getting the game bird grower, and you'd end up 18% protein, and you'd end up paying $31.99. Say $32 a sack. That ain't gonna happen. Okay, this is just a little something I want to add. Just now, what people do is they don't do all the figuring, and if they heck with all that stuff, they just feed their quail this. It's not enough protein. You need 18 to 22. They'll do good. They'll do okay. They'll lay a few eggs. But if you want them at top performance, okay, mix these two feeds together. All right. Now, something else I want to add. I got a video on how I take eggshells and turn it into pure calcium for the chickens. Okay. And I do take that and mix it. Now this does have calcium. This is for laying, but I do mix a little of that in the quail feed. You look at my other videos on how to do that. It's pretty simple to do. And I take the eggshell and you got to bake them and boil them and grind them, and you got to do a lot of things to them. But then once, instead of throwing them away, you got pure calcium there. So that's in another video. So I just figured I'd add this to show you a lot of people run into it and they just feed them this. And you're not going to get the production. You're not going to get the eggs. Okay. So that's how we do it here. Mix our feed for our grown quail and get top performance out of the birds for meat or eggs.